Unlock exclusive savings on Amazon with your employee discount. First, head to the Amazon website, www.amazon.com. Make sure you are already signed in with your personal Amazon account. This is important to link the discount correctly. Next, hover over Accounts and Lists in the top right corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, locate and click on your account. This takes you to your account dashboard. Scroll down until you find the Other Programs section. Look for an option that says Employee Discount and click on it. It may also say Redeem Discount. You'll be directed to a registration page. Now you will be prompted to enter your company email address and maybe additional information about your job. Follow the on-screen instructions, verify your information, and complete the registration process. Once that is done, your discount will be automatically applied to eligible purchases when you shop on Amazon. During checkout, you'll see the discount reflected in your order summary. Keep in mind that the discount may not apply to all items, so make sure to check the product details. Now you can enjoy those extra savings. Happy shopping!